If you're a new or existing coach and you want to go online or you want to have a successful digital coaching business, you might be wondering, is this actually a good thing to do? Is this something that in the future is going to allow me to reach financial freedom and have time freedom? Well, I went on and I was looking for some proof, some data. Okay. Now I've been doing this for 15 years. I love it. Okay. It's the greatest thing ever. I wanted to have time freedom. I wanted to have location freedom. I wanted to be able to make a lot of money with good profit margins and never be stopped by the economy. So this was actually a really good thing for me. But I want to show you something here. I looked on ChatGPT 4.0 for proof and data. It says that there is a growing demand for coaching and online learning. It's supposed to reach around 1 trillion by 2027. That's insane, right? Growing at a 20% compounded annual growth rate, which means it is a massive, crazy growing market. So if you think about it, the coaching industry alone was valued at 15 billion globally in 2021. Everybody's accepting the online education thing. If you don't know how to do something, you can't do it. So if you know how to do something, if you're passionate about something, then launching, building, and scaling an online coaching business is going to be amazing, just for the simple fact that people are looking for personal and professional help, and they don't want to have to go to a long school to do all this. They're literally looking for somebody to help them do this in a very efficient way. The biggest problem I see with my coaching clients is they don't know their niche. So if you go to school.com/make once free, all right, it's totally free. You don't have to even opt in or anything. And you click on the classroom here, I have a training in there that is called Digital Coaching. It's a 5-minute niche finder. It's totally free. Within 5 minutes, you will find your digital coaching niche. Now, if you don't know how to create an offer, if you don't know how to do marketing, if you don't know how to do email automations, any of those things, it's because you probably don't know your niche. But the moment you do, then you can do all of those things and you can do them very well. I'm going to show you how to find that in 5 minutes. And when you click on there, you'll see all the stuff. First, this video right when you get in there is the one you want to watch. Within 5 minutes, you'll know your digital coaching niche. And I even show you how to use ChatGPT to get a lot of that done very, very quickly. But then I show you how to find your strengths, your passions, things that you can market. I show you how to analyze market demand to make sure that the niche that you chose is a good one. I show you how to make sure that the competition is actually in your favor, how to understand everything about your target audience. I then show you how to validate the profitability of the niche that you found, how to evaluate the personal fit for you. You can even explore different specialization opportunities to charge even more, and how to validate the motivation of the people, like what motivates them. I show you how to launch, build, and scale that thing. So that's all inside of this training. It's absolutely free. Just go here and click it. Each week we do live workshops. Okay, we have a digital coaching is currency live workshop. These happen every single Wednesday. Okay, so every Wednesday at 11 a.m. Central Time, if you're inside of my free community there, you can get access to these. I get on there, you can talk to me, ask me questions. We can go over anything when it comes to digital coaching. Get inside of the community, the Make Once Free community. You'll just go over here, click on the calendar. When you do that, this screen will pop up. You just go down and you click on one of these here, and then what will pop up is this window right here. Then all you have to do is you can go in and click on this link, register for free, jump on, and you're good to go. Here's a gal that's in our program. She came in, she's just kicking butt. Another $3,000 client, she said she was struggling to try to get online. She couldn't figure out how to get clients. She got in, we showed her what to do. I'm so proud of her, she's kicking butt. She found me on TikTok. I showed her the whiteboard, the system, and she just took it from there, and now she's getting $3,000 clients. I don't know why you can't learn this stuff and start taking advantage of it. Being able to work from anywhere and do this stuff is incredible. But the biggest mistake people have is they don't know their niche. Get this 5-minute digital coaching niche finder. Go to the link in my bio or go down in the description. You can grab it for free. See you inside.